In the Chapter 1 review, we're supposed to decide whether the statement is true or false for number 7. See the arrow? This is an array that begins at R and points to and through forever point B and beyond. And this has one arrow, so it's an array. It starts at this point and goes toward the arrow, so it starts at R and it goes through T and keeps going forever. That's what the arrow means. So are these opposite rays? Well, let's identify ray RB in the picture. Starts at R and goes through B forever. So if I were to highlight that in red, we'd start here and we'd move in this direction forever. All right, what about ray RT? Let's do that one in green. So we'd start at R and go through T. So, not green, yellow. So from R through T goes this way. And so those are not opposite rays because together they do not form a line. If it had said RW, that ray would have been opposite rays with RB. So the answer to number 7, since they form an angle and not a line, is that they are not opposite rays. That's a false. How about number 8? Plane D could also be named plane ART. Remember, we can name a plane by a big capital letter that's just floating, not by any points. So this plane is D. Or using 3 letters, 3 points, as long as they're not collinear. So are the points A, R, and T all collinear on the same line? And they are. And therefore, we cannot name this plane D using A, R, and T. If we had called it plane ARW, that would work because those 3 points are in plane D and they're not on the same line. So number 8 is also a false.